Here's an update on the old Jeep. Had to clear all the scrap and stuff this guy left in here that we got it from, but as you can see, it's still got some floorboard in here. I'm gonna get a roll of sheet metal and go to town on it once I get up some extra cash. Really want to keep this and make it my project, restore it. I am gonna leave the racing stuff right there because it's solid and I ain't really got to mess with this. All the rest will probably be coming out of it though. I'm gonna sand around all this, and I'm probably just gonna get a new tailgate and hang that one in my garage. But I'm gonna try and put all new flooring in her. So I like to save the tub. I'm not a big fan of the fiberglass crap, and I'm not a fan of throwing 350s and all that kind of shit in these things neither. Now, don't get me wrong, it's cool if you're gonna do some you know, mudding, going to mudding events or whatever, or rock climbing and things like that. Throw you a big old motor in that thing. But I like to keep them as a Jeep, because what's the point of a Jeep when you throw a GM motor in it and GM transmission? Then you got a Chevy instead of a Jeep. And last I checked, Chevy 4x4s ain't got the name for them, Jeeps do. So for all you throw a 350 in it people, y'all can go on somewhere with that. I like to keep them all original, because a Jeep isn't a Jeep unless it has a Jeep motor and a Jeep tranny in it, Jeep rear end, and all the Jeep parts you need to make it a damn Jeep. Anyway, I'm hoping I can get up money to restore this sweet thing. Fenders and everything I took out and put in our shop. It's definitely gonna be a project for sure. So just keep watching the channel, Hillbilly Fab Shop, and hopefully I can get started on that soon. Down here inside our shop is where I put the fenders and the front grille for it. I think what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take the tub off. I'm gonna take the whole tub off. I believe we're gonna leave it in here in the shop because my welder that I just got's over there. I'm gonna get the sheet metal and start welding in the floors here. And at my house, we're gonna take the frame to my house and I'm gonna coat it with bed liner after I chip all the rust and stuff like that off, and work on the frame at my house. So it's gonna be two different locations. So I ain't got a welding setup or anything like that in my shop yet. But I just got this Miller for stick welding over here, so this will get the job done. We got our 220 right there, get her hooked up. We're gonna start fixing stuff in here when we're slow and everything, work on our trailers this winter and stuff. All that'll be on this channel. And if you wanna see what we do for work and where we get like junk cars like this and stuff, we get them from our other channel, Backwoods Hustle. Check it out. We do a lot of house clean outs, construction type demos, and other things. I did go and buy this one. We'll be showing me picking up cars on this channel as well when I just go buy cars. But I also throw them on my work channel as well. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed the short clip of the Jeep. I'm hoping I can get started on it maybe in the springtime or something. I know I probably won't be over the winter. I got other stuff I got to work on. Some projects up and coming. First one, I got to fix my Ford Ranger. I got a strip bolt on the one of the pulleys, and it's the tensioner pulley that loosens my belt and stuff. So I got to put a new one of those in because it wasn't keeping my belt tight. And then I got a 1998 Jeep Wrangler that sat for years. It needs a power steering gear, so I'm gonna get it up and going after my Ranger. And I also got to work on my stump grinder. My pump went out in it, so I'll be putting that video out as well. But yeah, I got a few projects already lined up ahead of this thing. So just please like and subscribe. I have to film everything with my phone, so I'm doing the best I can with what I have. So be patient with me. I'll get better as I grow, and I'll get the proper stuff I need. But until then, I'm gonna try and give y'all the best footage I can and live life, have fun, guys.